Are you planning to relocate to the UK ASAP to get a stress-free job? If so, cleaning job might be an option for you. You can work as a cleaner to earn around £12 per hour for this job with a relatively low educational qualification. Similarly, this job does not require previous work experience to be eligible to apply, being one of the most sought-after unskilled jobs in the UK. Moreover, employers mostly offer free visa sponsorships to foreign workers who fit the eligibility requirements for this job, with options to immigrate with your entire family. Now, as you would be interested in the eligibility requirements. What are they? And how can you meet up with them? All these questions and more would be explained in this video. So, stay tuned and ensure you watch till the very end to be fully informed. Toward the end of this video, I will show you how to apply for these jobs to make it easy for you our darling subscribers anticipating immigrating to the UK via this route. So, this might be your long-awaiting opportunity to move to the UK, as this job is currently open to eligible foreign workers. Let's begin. Cleaners are responsible for ensuring workplace sanitary by carrying out various tasks, like dusting, vacuuming, sweeping floors, and cleaning smudges off windows and doors. These workers also perform routine inspections and maintenance activities when needed, including stocking designated facility areas. This job involves performing routine tasks almost every day. So, if you love to work with your hands and desire to do an excellent job to the best of your ability every day, then cleaning job might be perfect for you. Here are the requirements expected of a cleaner in the United Kingdom. 1. Possess adept interpersonal and communication skills. 2. Be able to work unsupervised to deliver satisfying work for your employer. Next, before starting your application process, ensure you have a valid international passport and visa if possible. Be at least 18 years old and above. Mind you, applicants with a job offer will have a competitive edge over other applicants vying for jobs in this field. And this would boost your chances of getting a work permit visa faster. How can you start your application process? Several online job boards are dedicated to helping foreign workers find open job opportunities in the UK, ranging from entry-level positions to highly skilled ones. These websites provide you with first-hand job updates directly from the company's source. These websites are totaljobs.com, indeed.com, and read.co.uk. Endeavor to read through the job summary, full job descriptions, and requirements. Check the salary information that best pleases you. Then, proceed by applying for any of your desired cleaning job opportunities as seen on your screen. You can as well subscribe to the mail notification on these websites to be informed of related job opportunities. It's worth taking the time to browse through the listings to find the best job for particular skills and experience. More so, you can contact recruitment agencies for help. Let's take a look at the different cleaning roles you can apply for in the UK. 1. Accommodation cleaners. Secondly, housekeeper. Next, laundry attendant. Then, room attendants. Also, public area cleaner. Also, hotel maid positions. Likewise, valet attendants, groundskeepers, and so on. You will get to know all these positions if you explore the websites highlighted earlier. Their duties may vary depending on the employment setting, the employer, and other factors. On the final note, it's worth noting that you could build a great career as a cleaner in diverse settings like hospitals, hotels, restaurants, cafes, schools, central commissaries, and so on, paving room for a greater job outlook across specialized settings in the United Kingdom. If this video provides you with helpful tips, kindly subscribe and share with your friends who are also passionate to travel to a comforting country like the UK using this job path. Thanks for watching till the very end. See you in my next video.